Okay, I thought I'd talk about my IFAK, my individual first aid kit, which I carry with me most often when I just go out on the trail on a light hike. I usually carry this in case I take a tumble and need to clean up a small cut or a scratch from maybe slipping and catching my hand. So, same setup as my first aid kit. I've got a band around it that I made to keep it closed tightly. You can see what it took to get that off. The can itself is a World War II era first aid Carlisle bandage can. Hard to find these. This was given to me by my wife's grandfather who served in World War II. Just a metal tin. Okay. What do I have in it? Well, let's see if I can get it open here. There we go. So in the top here I have some identifying information, and I'm not going to show you, but a pencil, and then a Grim Survival first aid dog tag. This has suture needles, tweezers, and a little cutting tool, and I have some safety pins in there. Carry a little card here that reminds me how to do CPR. I can quickly review it if I have to. Some bandages, okay, about 4 good-sized bandages. Painkiller, some ibuprofen and some acetaminophen. A sting pad for bug stings. Triple antibiotic ointment. A couple of little packages. An alcohol prep pad. Another alcohol prep pad, some tiny bandages, and some note paper to make some notes on, and my first aid card, a copy of my first aid card down the bottom. So that's it. That's my individual IFAK. Just a few items that I thought I'd share with you. Okay, talk to you later.